Hangry Joe!
Lynchburg, Virginia. Here we go.
I got a t-shirt.
T-shirt. Yeah. Right.
I've been transported to Tennessee, man.
Right there.
Look at that! Yeah! Get in there!
No heat.
No heat. All right, Darren Kidd, let's go. That juicy Darren.
Slaw's fresh, tastes good, but
Next.
nice thick piece of chicken,
Yeah, man.
crispy,
8 ounces.
good.
And what is it today?
Hella good.
Was it? All right. Yeah. What is that? Look at that. I mean, yeah, that's all you do.
That is so much better than that Chick-fil-A.
Oh no, you don't say that. We see. Yeah. It's good, isn't it? Yeah, it's huge. And it's hot. We're frozen. Look at this. Oh, he's saucing it. Yes. Oh boy. Looks like you got some spice in it. We're gonna check back with you minutes after minutes. What's going on here?
Doing all right so far. I'll probably a little bit, but I mean the taste is tangy.
Yeah.
But it's got flavor.
Yeah.
And it's good.
This first bite. Yeah, we're gonna medium. How is it? Good, man. Yeah, nice. Medium's hot too. Oh, you did take a bite. What was it? What did you get?
Delicious. I got the regular sando with no heat but honey butter.
Honey butter on. All right, nice. Good then. I'm trying the chicken. Yeah. The fries are surprisingly good. There we go. Man, never frozen. Yeah, man. Thank you. That was a weak bite too. Solid.
That's a sauce on it right there.
Angry hot. Those bites. And at first, it's got flavor.
Oh, that is good.
Yeah. Good looking sando right here. No.
Good one in Knoxville, 33. Yeah, yes.
It's like a Millennium Falcon right there from Star Wars. Look at that thing.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Huge.
What spice?
So I got the high.
Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, you can tell immediately. You're like, yeah, medium, all right, cool. Man. Different, huh? Yeah, it's good. All right, representing Berglund well.
From Kansas.
Kansas, is that a mighty?
Yes.
All right, first bites. Solid. Yeah. What spice level do you get?
Mild.
Mild. That's the right one. Hot still a little bit, right? Flavor?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
I got the medium.
It's hot. Yeah, the sando, bro.
Yeah.
The mighty. What do you think? Tasty, right? First Hangry Hot survivor in Lynchburg. Yeah.
I'm still burning, man. I'm still sweating. I can't believe wearing this hat. Hangry Joe's.
There you go.